Hello students, welcome to my channel Bala's English Today. In this class, we are going to learn about present continuous tense and past continuous tense. What is the difference between these two tenses? That's what I'm going to teach you. When I say continuous tense, immediately what should come to your mind is verb plus ing. Whether it is a present continuous tense, past continuous tense or future continuous tense, that means verb plus ing. How do you frame it? Go plus ing. It becomes going. Okay? Eat plus ing. Eating. Okay? Buy plus ing, buying. And this is the verb which you have to use in the continuous tense. Okay? And what's the difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense? We are going to learn now. Just listen. In the present continuous, first we will learn the structure. Then we will also learn where to use present continuous tense and where and when to use past continuous tense. Now, present continuous tense, when the activity is happening now. Okay? When the activity is happening now or at the time of speaking. For example, what are you doing now? You're listening or you're watching a video. At present, now you're doing it. What am I doing now? I'm teaching. I'm teaching now. Okay? What is your mother doing? She is cooking. She is cooking. Maybe now she is cooking. So when the activity is happening at the time of speaking or now, then you use present continuous tense. For example, I am playing. I am playing. Then, you are dancing. That means you are doing it now. This activity is happening now. You are dancing now. Because you got a good news and you are dancing. Okay? When you write, see, she is eating. She likes mangoes very much. So, she is eating a mango now. And he is walking. So, usually he goes for a walk. And now he is walking. What is it doing? It is drinking. Maybe your cat. It is drinking milk. Okay. What are you doing? What you people are doing? We are singing. We are very happy. So all of us join together and we are singing now. What are they doing? They are reading. They are reading. Now see, if you observe this, I am playing. These are the main word. What is the root verb here? Play. Okay. Plus ing. Dance. Plus ing. Eat. Plus ing. Eating. Walking. Drinking. Singing. Reading. Okay. So, when you use the first person, I, you have to say, I am playing. I am. You are. She is. He is. It is. We are. They are. You got it? So, when the activity is happening now, you say that I am playing, he is singing, you are dancing, they are cooking, we are walking. It is the structure. Okay? Understood? So, after the subject for first person am, second person are, third person singular is, plural also are. This is how you use it. Okay, very simple. Present continuous tense. Usually you speak only in the present continuous tense because you will be talking to your friend. See, I'm going now, I'm going to the class, the teacher is coming, she is teaching the lesson, I'm writing notes. Okay, usually we use mostly in present continuous tense when we speak. We use it. Okay. Now, what is the difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense? Now, when you use past continuous tense, that activity, okay, continuous tense means it continuously happening. That should come to your mind. And I said how to put a verb in the continuous tense. Verb, the base form of the verb, plus ing. Drinking, playing, eating, cooking, dancing, okay, walking, reading, writing, all that continuous tense. Now, what's the difference between present continuous and past continuous? This is also continuous. So, in this case also, the verb will be like this. Okay, drinking. Okay, same, playing, laughing, working, reading. Okay, but what's the main difference? Now I say the first person, I. What did we use there? I am drinking. That means the activity is going on now. Here you say, I was drinking. You were drinking, W-E-R-E. You were playing. Okay. Then you say, he is laughing. He was laughing. Okay. She was working. Okay. It was reading. We were dancing. They were writing. Now you see. First we are learning the structure. Then we'll go to the usage of the tense. I was drinking. You were playing. He was laughing. She was working. It was reading. We were dancing. They were writing. So you use was for singular. See, I was, he was, she was, it was. And all the plurals, you were. You use as a singular as well as plural also. You people we say. So for you have to use were. And we, you have to use were. They, you have to use were. Only for these three things you have to use. For the three subjects you have to use were. Others was. I was, she was, it was, he was. You were, they were. Plus ing form of the verb. Now you understood the structure of the past continuous tense. Then what's the difference between present continuous and past continuous? I told you present continuous you use when the activity is going on. Okay, it's happening now. She is walking, he is jumping, they are reading, okay, they are laughing, we are watching TV now. We are watching TV, okay, we are listening to the teacher, they are writing a poem now. Okay, this you are clear. Now where to use this past continuous tense? So the name itself indicates that the activity was taking place sometime in the past. What is past? Yesterday, okay, last month, last week, last year. Happened, over. Okay. Now, how to use this tense? What are the examples for using past continuous tense? I was watching TV yesterday at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, this particular activity was going on, not now. In the present, if the activity is going on, you use present continuous tense. In case you are talking about yesterday, you know what happened yesterday? Yesterday I was watching TV and I found, you say that. When I was watching TV rather, you say that also. Okay? So in the past, when the activities were going on, it's not completed. Completed means you use past tense. I watched TV, you say. But now you are saying, I was watching TV at 7 o'clock, then something happened. Okay? So that I'll come to that point. So when the activity was going on in the past, going on means it was continuing for some time in the past. Then you use past continuous tense. Usually, when the two activities were happening simultaneously in the past, you use the one activity in the past continuous tense, the other activity in the past tense. For example, okay, when or while you use usually with past continuous. Okay, when I was watching TV, what were you doing? You were watching the TV. My mother called me. Now look at this sentence. When I was watching TV, that was yesterday, okay, when I was watching TV, so interested, I started watching, and the movie was so nice and lot of suspense and all, no? So I was watching. Suddenly my mother called. I got irritated, yaar, you say that. Why? You're so engrossed, you were watching, and then your mother called. So now two activities happened. When I was watching TV, this was yesterday, what happened? I was interrupted. My mother called me. This is another verb, called. Now called is in the past tense. So these two activities were happening simultaneously, same time. So something you're doing and something interrupted, something happened also. Okay, for example, when I was reading the novel, my brother entered. When I was reading the novel, my brother entered. Okay, while also you can use. Okay, while I was reading a book or writing a poem, I lost my pen. While I was writing a poem, suddenly my brother took the pen. When I was writing or while I was writing a poem, my brother took the pen and left. So that means what? You were writing for some time, and when you were writing, that activity was not completed. You are still doing the activity. Then your brother came. Same time when the activity was going on, that was writing the poem. Your brother came and he pulled the pen from your hands. So when I was writing the poem or while I was writing the poem, my brother took the pen from my hands. So I could not write. I could not proceed further. You're able to understand. So this past continuous you use for an activity which was happening in the past, and also simultaneously another action also would have taken place. So you use past continuous for one activity when it was going on, and some interruption or something else happening, that you put it in the past tense. When I was watching TV, my mother called me. When I was writing a poem, my brother took the pen from me. Okay? While I was walking, the bus blocked me. Okay, you're able to understand. Like that, you can use in the past when the activity was happening, something else also happened simultaneously. What is the meaning of simultaneously? At the same time, you're doing that, at the same time something also happened, then you use past continuous tense. For the present continuous tense, when you speak to your friends, now the activity is happening, you say, what are you doing? I'm playing. What are you doing? I am talking. What are you doing? I'm laughing. Okay? This is how you express. That's the difference between present continuous and past continuous. And also I would like to tell you, if you want to improve your conversation, with this, knowing these tenses, you also can add some more sentences, little more words rather, and maybe either prepositional phrases or some words in English to make it a full sentence. For example, I am listening. Okay, I am listening. This is the sentence what I have given you as an example. I am listening. And you can add to music. This is an extra one which will make you fluent. You can add, I am listening to music. I am listening to the lecture. I am listening to my mother's words. I am listening to her advice, my mother's advice. Like that, you can go on improving or increasing your list so that your talking capacity will naturally improve. Okay, like that. He is crying. Okay, if I say he is crying, he's crying in the room. Okay, he's crying under the tree. Okay, he's crying with his brother. Okay, so you add the sentences. So what happens? It increases your speaking capacity. So I said he is crying under the tree. He is crying in his room. He is crying with his mother. He is crying very badly. You can add many words or phrases to make it a better sentence to converse better. And for this past continuous tense, I told you the two activities must have simultaneously must have happened in the past. So you say while and when you use for past continuous. While I was doing this, something also happened. While I was cooking, I could not find the salt. While I was cooking, I could not find the salt. I wanted to cook a better food actually. While I was cooking, I forgot to add salt yesterday. So everybody scolded in my house. What is this? Saltless dish. Okay? While I was cooking, I forgot to add salt to the dish. Forgot. That is past tense. While I was cooking, that is past continuous tense. When that activity was happening, I forgot this. So maybe I was thinking something else. I thought I would already put some salt in the dish, but I forgot. Okay? So this is the difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Hope you enjoyed the class and hope you understood these concepts. That is present continuous, past continuous, where to use, when to use and how to use. Okay students, suppose if you like this video or this lesson, please click the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. We will meet in my next video with a different lesson. Thank you students.